Algebra is the branch of mathematics that uses letters and symbols to represent numbers and quantities in equations and formulas.
This model is based on types of triangles. There are 6 types of triangles: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scaling triangle, equiangle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle.
Interior angles are equal.
Circles are in our lives. It makes our lives easier, and another thing is that circles can be used for various other things like art.
Barak Valley is located in southern Assam. It is a culturally and beautifully rich region which got its name after the Barak River which flows through it. It locally comprises of all the handloom weaving businesses, the fishing and all the agricultural fields.
The main occupation here is agriculture. People wear dhotis or loin cloths, many state wear chested and just using a gamusa on their shoulder.
The tribal groups like Kukis and Dimasas had a unique band pattern of clothes for which they used natural dyes like turmeric and indigo to color their clothes.
Barak Valley is known for its natural beauty, lush green fields, forest, hills and river. Barak River is central to life here.
Their clothes and ornaments both reflected the nature and culture beautifully.
The traditional houses made of bamboo, wood and mud, thatched roofs suited to local climate and resources.
French Revolution was a period of political and societal change in France. It gave the idea of liberty, justice, and equality, and that each person had the right to gain equality.
Good morning, sir. I am Kanishka Bolsa and with me is
Priyanshu Lalka and Ishika Sarda.
from class 9. We are here to present our model on the topic the phenomena of day and night. Earth rotation. The earth rotation causes different parts of earth to face towards or away from the earth at different times. This rotation causes different parts of earth to face towards or away from the sun at different times. As the earth rotates, the part of sun which faces towards the sun, we experience daytime, and the part of sun which does not faces towards the sun, we experience nighttime. Further will be explained.
Good morning, sir. I am Abhay Rajkumar of class 9A, and with me is
Jishan Rana and
Mohit Kumar. We are going to explain the new Parliament of India or the new Sansad Bhavan. So the introduction will be given by me, and the objectives will be explained by Rana. And the new Parliament of India was inaugurated in May 28, 2023 by Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, and it was a part of Central Vista Redevelopment Project. And our new old Parliament was built in 1927 by the Britishers, which was having a very old infrastructure.
these are the 3 pillars of democracy. This is the legislature. The legislature is responsible for making the laws for political body. This is the executive. Is the branch that deals with the execution and the enforcement of laws made by the legislature. This is the judiciary. The judiciary is responsible for checking if the laws are being followed by the citizens or not. Thank you. Our model is on the topic sustainable development. Sustainable development is rooted with one simple idea: meeting the need of present generation without compromising the need for the future generation. It is mainly a balance between environmental protection, economical growth and social equity. There are mainly 3 key pillars of sustainable development. Those are environmental sustainability, economical sustainability and social sustainability. Now Aismita will speak.
As we know that every idea has some merits and demerits, so sustainable development as well as has some advantages.
Thank you, Arismita. Now that we know all about sustainable development and its advantages and disadvantages, let's dive into the heart of sustainable development, the 17 Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs.
Good morning, sir. We are honored to present our model on the theme of Ayodhya Ram Mandir.
Our presentation will cover cultural significance, historical significance, model detail and cultural impact.
So, let us take a first look at our first topic, that is
Cultural significance. The Ram Mandir is culturally significant because it represents India's old traditions and significance. It is a symbol of India's strong culture. It is a symbol of India's strong cultural identity, and it's harmony to connect with their roots and feel proud of their culture.
Sam Afsan and with me is Mariam Yasmin, and today we are here to present our model
water and chart on something that is very important, the G20. You have probably heard about G20 in the news, world leader meetings, lots of flags, big decisions being made. But what exactly is this G20? Why does this really matter to us? Let's break it down for you.
So now let us understand what is actually G20. The G20 stands for the Group of 20. It consists of 19 countries and the European Union. These are the world's biggest economies, countries that play a huge role in I am Jigisha Sinha and with me is
Bodhidipta Mitra.
and I am Ashmita Chakravarti. This is the working model of drip irrigation. So first, what is drip irrigation? Drip irrigation is a system that delivers water directly to the roots of the plants in small doses.
It minimizes the wastage of water and is a highly efficient method as compared to the traditional systems like sprinkler or flood irrigation. It is used in a variety of places including farms, commercial, greenhouses, etc.
And here are my friends.
Yoshida Maruti and Rashmi Sinha.
The ancient life. The ancient world was simple, natural, and self-sufficient. The life was directly connected to the environment. Around the white. The ancient world refers to the period in which people begin to settle a community and develop a way of living. Now, the further explanation will be done by my friend Roshni.
Modern life. Modern life refers to the way people live today and is fast and highly developed. Non-consumption of source of energy items which have been developed and are used for alternative and consumption. And now my friend will say
Solar energy. Solar energy is the energy obtained from sunlight. In India, Gujarat and Rajasthan has the most powerful use of solar energy. It is used in cooking, heating, lighting, etc.
Sir, working.
Wow. Huge. Great. Wow. Whose photo? Z20. I saw Z20 there also.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am big fan.
Oh. What is this? Fire.
Fire. Invention of fire.
Fire also. Who are these people? Who are these? Who are they? Good afternoon. What is this?
Establishment of EEI.
Oh, EI. Good. Good morning. What is this? Industries. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, good. Wow. This is lighting up. Ooh. Oh my God. What is this? Good afternoon. What is this? Mahabharata? Right?
Yes, sir. This is Mahabharata.
Wow. Nicely.
Thank you, sir.
Nice. Good.
And now my friend Shweta is going to explain about the Great Wall of Giza. The Great Pyramid of Giza, it is also known as the Pyramid of Giza. It is one of the largest out of the pyramid complex in Giza. And it
As we all know, Assam has a very rich and diverse culture in blend of natural wonders, natural historical sites.
Thank you, sir.
They are worshipping the goddess. There is a tea garden.
First, we should know what is parts of speech. Parts of speech are categories that classify words based on their This is
The sun.
Sumatra Thantor. We will say Ravi, we will say Dibakar and Banu, Martanda and
Thank you. Okay. What is this?
Short Varna and Mental Varna.
Good. What is this? Nobody is there.
Partnership is a business controlled managed by a single individual only, and the owner is the man in which she puts all the capital, management of the business, risk taking of the business, and the business.
We have made a model based on consumers equilibrium. It is basically combined of two words, consumers and equilibrium. Consumer is an economic agent who consumes goods or services for his or her wants. An equilibrium is a situation where the consumer gets as much satisfaction as the price of goods or services he or she pays. But if the consumer gets less satisfaction than the price he or she pays, it will not help him to reach the equilibrium. Now, how do we measure satisfaction? In order to measure satisfaction, we use
Good morning, sir. We have prepared our model on banking. Mainly there are two types of bank, the central bank and the commercial bank.
Commercial bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits and provides loans for various purposes. There are different types of deposits: saving deposits, current deposits, and fixed deposits.
Banks accept loans in different types such as term loans, cash credit, trade credit, and commercial bank.
This is a model law of demand. Law of demand, it states that when the price of a good increases, the demand for it decreases, and vice versa. This is because consumer tends to buy more goods when it's cheap, and they buy less goods when it's expensive. We have got two examples with us. We have Ola, we have Uber, and we have Ola.
Let's take the meaning of GST, which stands for Goods and Service Tax, introduced in 2017 as a single indirect tax for the whole nation. It merged all the earlier taxes into one single structure. Basically, there are three types of GST. Central GST, State GST, and Integrated GST. In which Central GST and State GST is part of intrastate transactions, which mean within the same state, and Integrated GST is part of interstate transactions, which mean between two different states. And now my friend will explain the earlier tax system and the current tax system.
So let me explain how the current GST system works. Let's suppose a manufacturer produces a good worth ₹50 and adds a profit of ₹50, and on which GST of 10% will be applied, so we get 110 rupees. The wholesaler will purchase the 110 rupees, but he will not consider the 10 rupees tax that is already being paid. That 10 rupees is considered as the input GST and will be later used as input tax credit.
Good afternoon, I am Supratik Das, and our project is about how a man or a woman can take his money and grow it.
So our main motive is to motivate you to invest your money in such instruments so that your money gets increased by a good rate. And unlike common instruments like FDs and RDs, where you get an interest of only 5 to 7%. So we encourage you to invest in stock markets so that you get a lot of more interest and increase your wealth. So if you think that you cannot take the risk or you don't have the time, we have DPs, depository participants, who work for you and help you pick and pick funds like Zerodha, Grow, Upstocks, or even AMCs like HDFC and SBI. So even if you are not interested in shares, debentures or bonds, you can invest in mutual funds. That's the most compatible type of investment that a man can make.
Good afternoon. Today I am going to explain the evolution of money from barter system to complex digital currencies, how money has evolved. So, beginning with barter system, commodity money. Suppose you are a farmer who grows wheat and your neighbor is a potter who makes clay pots. One day you need a clay pot, so you walk over to your neighbor and tell him that, hey, I'll give you a sack of wheat in return for 2 clay pots. This is called barter system, where there is exchange of goods and services without the use of money. So what if the potter doesn't want a sack of wheat but something else instead? And that is called lack of double coincidence of wants, which is why barter system failed and money evolved through various stages. Thank you.
As in this partners. So each partners take different risk on the basis of their capital and the money invested by them. And we have unlimited liability in this business. Means if the business is going in losses, then the owner has to give their personal asset to cover up their losses also. And lastly, the decision making. In this form, different owners have different opinion regarding their decision. So it takes time to make a correct decision for the firm. And now I will come to company firm, which is known as the most suitable firm for large scale businesses. As we can see in company firm, we can see companies in different areas.
Sorry, alone. Huh? What is this?
Say the human skeleton system.
Wow.
And my partner Arya Rajkumar. We have together made this model on classification of animals based on food habits. All the animals on this earth are divided into 3 broad categories, namely herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores are animals who eat only plants; they do not eat meat. Arya? Only the first one.
Carnivores are animals that eat the flesh of other animals. They have sharp teeth and claws to catch and eat their prey.
Omnivores.
Omnivores animals. Omnivores are animals that eat both plants and animals. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Richa from class 5 and they are my teammates. Swarnika Vishwa. Our topic is classification of animals on the basis of their habitats, the natural home or surroundings of an animal where lives, eats, grows and its babies is called its habitats. So now we are going to explain our model one by one. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. These animals are adapted to live on grounds or different places like grasslands, forests, deserts, mountains, etc. Some examples of land animals are tigers, elephants,
What is this? Oh, wow.
It can walk also.
It can
Sir, I
walk.
can explain.
Sir, pollution.
And how to reduce it?
Yeah.
Sir, that is how to reduce. That is how
Eating is life.
And this is?
how pollution causes.
How pollution causes.
Very good. I am not the judge.
Teachers.
Oh, he's lonely. So lonely. Alone.
Indian freedom movement.
Huh?
The Indian freedom movement.
Okay, very good. What is this? Balloon and all?
Property, sir.
Huh?
This is air takes up space and this is air has space.
What is this?
The process of decantation and sedimentation, decantation and filtration.
So you can drink this water now? Clean. Can you drink?
This is
Electric circuit. In the model, we have connected the positive end of the battery with the switch, and we have connected the negative end of the battery and the last when the switch is.
Explain.
myself, Rijibha Singha of class 5B, and with me is Yaksha Sinha from class 5B and Angel Sonar from class 5A. Today we are here to explain the concept of solar and lunar eclipse. An eclipse only and where one celestial body is lost or obscured and the organization FAO works towards promoting opportunity satellite. Thank you.
Very good. Well done. So scary. This is beautiful.
How can you explain? Our model is about the phases of moon and tides.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
What is this?
Parliament House.
Parliament House.
Yes.
Good morning, dear sir. Today we are here to explain the 5 different types of students in India. Myself, Inanna Ampaskar, class 6C. Myself, Rajna Begum Majumdar from class 6C. Myself, Mustafa Ahmed Salas from class 6C. The winter season in India typically lasts from December to February. During this time, the temperature are cold and pleasant in most part of the country. The mountains experience colder temperatures. Good morning. My name is Kritika Bhattacharjee and my name is Alisha Kamal. My name is Devanshi Das. This is our model and our model name is Buddha's Life. We made this model to show the inner peace and teaching of Lord Buddha and how nature and meditation help us to find inner peace. Buddha's real name was Siddhartha Gautam. He was born in Nagarnagar around 563 BC.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kamalika Sindhu and my name is Asadevi Chetri. Today we are going to present a short act on education early and now.
Let me take you at the back to the olden days in the past. Students study in Gurukul. Students live with Guru in forests or villages. They have studied about archery and Hindi, maths, Sanskrit and Vedas. They have known about archery, nature.
My name is Shivandra Chakraborty. My name is Gyanju Singha.
My name is Kevin Singha. And this is our model and our topic is animals of different regions. Now here in desert region we can find many animals like camels and kangaroos. Here in forest region we can find animals like giraffe, zebra and deer.
Now in snow region we can find animals like polar bears and aquapochers.
Here in
in water region, we can find features like whales and dolphins. Thank you. Okay,
I am Ariba Borse of class 6C. My mother from class 6C, and our topic is cellular jail. The cellular jail is also known as a calamari. It is available in import and was used by the British. These annex were political prisoners during India's struggle for independence. It is now a national memorial and a place to remember the sacrifices our freedom fighters have made.
The jail was known for its hard condition, particularly the practice of solitary confinement. And the prisoners are isolated in cramped cells with limited ventilation. The tectonic layer of the earth shifts when there is an earthquake of high magnitude or underwater volcano eruption. The shift causes vast quantities of water to be displaced in a short period of time. Energy from the earthquake or underwater volcano eruptions causes simple progressive oscillatory waves to move over the ocean surface at high speeds. Wavelengths of the tsunami continue to grow up to 800 kilometers per hour. As the tsunami approached near the shore, the water became more taller, shallow, and dangerous. Finally, the giant waves collide with the shore, causing massive damage to people, property, and nature. Thank you.
My name is Pratishtha Das, and my name is Swastika Dey, and we are from class 6. Today we are going to present our model on the topic of rural livelihoods. Basically, rural livelihood means something to earn money inside of the village. Now, I would like Swastika to explain about the agricultural fields. As you can see, the farmers are planting plants and etc. Now, I will tell about poultry farming. Poultry farming is where people raise birds like chicken and dogs. Now, I would like to explain you about the cottage industry. These are small home-based industries where people make cottage-related things like mats, carpets, materials cut from wood. It is located at 608 individuals. Each one is for one person. At night there would be complete darkness. Very good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Armina Akhtabari of class 6C, and along with me are my fellow students. About Panchayati Raj system and will explain the model.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shaima Akhtabari and I will give you the brief introduction of the model and tell you the importance of Panchayati Raj system. First of all, let me tell you what is Panchayati Raj system. The Panchayati Raj system is a three-tier structure of local self-government in rural India. It is designed to empower citizens and foster grassroots democracy. It works at three different levels: Gram Panchayat,
and my friend Arnab Chakrabarti. We are from class 6A. Our topic is local layer of earth. The 5 main layer of Today I will explain troposphere and stratosphere. It is a vast layer where we live and where the most weather occurs. It characterized by decreasing temperature with increasing altitude. Stratosphere located above the troposphere. This layer contains ozone layer to absorb harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Temperature increases the altitude in the stratosphere. Thank you. Now I am moving to master. Now I will explain mesosphere and thermosphere. Temperatures decrease with altitude in the mesosphere. Is where most meteors burn up as they enter the atmosphere. Thermosphere. This layer has increasing temperature. Now I will explain exosphere, the outermost layer where the atmosphere merges into space.
Good morning sir, I Ishan Paul of class 6C and my teammate Samyan Paul of class 6A welcome you to our exhibit at Nalanda University.
The Nalanda University was one of the world's greatest and earliest centers of learning, flourishing from 5th century CE to 12th century CE. Nalanda's foundation was one of the Nalanda's foundation is often attributed to Kumaragupta, a ruler of Gupta's dynasty, around the 5th century CE.
The university was primarily a Buddhist center of learning, but it also taught various subjects like maths, medicine.
The name of our model is global warming. Now my friend Kunchiba Yanko will give
For an example, this is Assam and this is global warming. So if we touch one subject here and in order to destroy
due to the greenhouse effect caused by increasing the levels of carbon dioxide, CFCs, and also by human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial purposes. Causes of global warming. Several causes of global warming which have a negative climate change.
The global warming has led to a change in the climatic conditions, which has resulted in floods in some places and droughts at the others. This is an interactive electrical map of India, states, capitals and famous fort. Constructing it would involve connecting each state on a map to its respective capitals and city with a wire. When the connection is completed, the LED light glows up and the buzzer makes a beep sound like this. For an example, this is Assam and the capital of Assam is Dispur. So if you does the another circuit here, this happens. But if you do in the incorrect one, it doesn't. Thank you.
Components used to make these models are for base, a cardboard sheet and a fabric board, for screws and connectors for connection for states and capitals, a stencil board for connectors for This is Assam's dance called as Bintu. This is traditional food and art, traditional dress of Assam. This is Jammu and Kashmir, Kashmiri folk dance or rope, art, traditional food and
Traditional dress of Rajasthan, art, traditional food, Rajasthani folk music, Kathakali, art, Satya, Gundu, traditional. People live inside the villages or out of the town or cities. They have houses made up of kacha materials like stone, mud, etc. and known as hut or kacha houses. They also have houses made up of pakka materials like concrete, cement, bricks, which are known as bungalows or haveli. They have farms. They also do animal husbandry. They didn't have lights in the home. Urban. Like cars, photos, etc., which makes air pollution, noise pollution. For making it less, the government provides us traffic lights. They have houses made up of materials like concrete, cement, etc., which are known as buildings. They have pakka roads. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. And my name is Saigata Shukta. And our topic is freedom fighters of India. There are many freedom fighters of India. From them we have selected some of them. Freedom fighters are those persons who saved us from British. So today we are going to tell about some great freedom fighters of India. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October in Swanda, Gujarat. He developed the concept of self-development.
Good morning, dear sir. Myself Anshul Sharma.
Myself Priyansh Dey. Myself Banu Joshi.
Today we are from class 6C and today we are presenting our HST model, the solar system. Now Ryansh will explain what is solar system.
Solar system. The solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets and the satellites. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury. Uranus is the 7th planet in our solar system. Uranus is a very cold and windy world. Uranus rotates at nearly 90 degrees.
Sir, my name is Tanvir Singh Barbaya and they are my teammates.
My name is Paran Burman. My name is Aman Sahib.
And our topic is satellite. An artificial satellite is a man-made object placed into orbit around Earth or another celestial body to perform specific tasks. Artificial satellites are launched by using rockets. They remain in space and orbit around a planet. Artificial satellites are used for communication, weather, research, navigation, etc. Some examples of artificial satellites are Sputnik 1, INSAT series and GPS satellite.
This is a digital map of India. By using this model, we can learn the names of states and capitals of India very easily. If we put the pen here and in the capital, it will write up. For this project, we have not only created an engagable model but also gained valuable hands-on experience in basic electronics, circuit designing, and making it has been fantastic.
The past focuses less on critical thinking skills and problem solving. Traditional method is about passive learning which led to less engagement from the students. Traditional methods failed to simulate real-world applications which led to unreal problem solving skills.
Present education focus on AI-based practices and more critical thinking on activities, and moreover, this classrooms based and artificial intelligence. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Khushi Panak and my name is Siti Fernanda. Today we are explaining about day and night. This project is a model demonstrating the concept of day and night. It takes 24 hours. When a part of Earth faces the sun, it gets sunlight and it's daytime there. When a part of Earth is away from the sun, it's nighttime there. As shown in the model, when it's daytime in India, in nighttime in America. Thank you. She is my partner Afroza Norin Lashkar. Our topic is summer and winter season. Summer season. Summer is the warmest season of the year. It has a long sunny day and shorter night. It occurs after spring and before autumn. In summer, many children and people go for swimming. Winter season. Winter season is the coldest season of the year. It comes after spring and before autumn.
My name is Alcina Singh. They are my partners, Sanjay Krishnaji, Sudipal, and World War Shah, and we are representing the World War model. World War I began with the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. He was assassinated by Gavrilo Princip and her wife also was assassinated at that time, Sofia Duchess, and World War I started at 1914. And now my friend Sanjay Chaudhary now will explain you further.
Yes. After World War I. Good morning, sir. My name is Siddha Malakar, and with me my teammate, myself, of class 6D. Our topic is solar system. Good morning, sir. My name is Radhika Dev and my partner.
My name is Ridhima Paul and we are from class 6.
We are doing SST exhibition today, and our topic is physiographic division of India. And the physiographic division of India are divided into 6 parts: Himalayan ranges, Deccan Plateau, Northern Plains, Indian Desert, Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. The Himalayan ranges are broadly divided into 3 parallel regions: the Greater Himalayas, Himachal Pradesh. Myself, Arun Singh. So, tell me before starting. My name is Aruri Singh. Forests give us oxygen and many elements which is very important and necessary for living organisms. But forests do much more than that. It helps us in protecting the environment by controlling climate, preventing floods and protecting the soil from erosion. Many animals and birds depend on this forest. They live in this forest for trees. They make food and shelter for themselves.
My name is Farhan Majumdar from 6D. My name is Irfan Habib Majumdar from 6D.
My name is Mahiranjan Barbahia. Today I am going to explain you about urban life. Urban life is the lifestyle of people living in cities and big towns. It is modern and full of opportunities. In cities, people have many facilities like you can say hospitals, schools. People also have the better chance of getting jobs in offices, industries and businesses.
For exhibition on the Indus Valley civilization, my name is Binish Mehraj. With me I have Ayush Datta. Today we will take you on a journey through one of the world's oldest and most fascinating civilization. The Indus Valley civilization, also known as the Harappan civilization, it is also the world's oldest urban cultures in the world. It flourished around 4,500 years ago in the northwestern Indian subcontinent.
I am excited to share some interesting facts about this ancient civilization with you. Let us start by exploring the geography and the cities of
Despite their advanced civilization, the Indus Valley people just mysteriously lived decline around 1900 BC. The reasons for the decline are still debated by the historians. One of the most impressive aspects of Good morning, sir. My name is Ritika Muhammad and today I am going to explain about early humans. The prehistoric age is also known as the Stone Age. The Stone Age is divided into 4 major periods. The first is the Paleolithic, the second is the Mesolithic, the third is the Neolithic, and the fourth one is the Chalcolithic. The Paleolithic is
Filters dirty water into pure water.
See, I have put dirty water here. Good water is falling.
So basically this is the human respiratory system. It is one of the key organs in our body which helps us breathe and keeps us alive by supplying oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. So basically this is the pharynx. From here the air is directed towards the chest. Okay. Then we have the windpipe. These are supported by the rings of cartilages and act as a highway. Then we have the right bronchus. This leads to the right lungs. Okay. Then we have the bronchioles. These are like tiny branches of a tree spreading throughout the lungs, directing air to every corner. Then we have the alveoli. This is the main part where the blood, the oxygen moves into the blood through the walls of the alveoli and the carbon dioxide moves out.
This is a hand detecting robot, and this will detect our hand and any object that we can put here. For example, any object we can put here and it will detect. This IR sensor releases some waves, and our hand or the other object bounces it back to the black one, and it retains it and sends it to the control board, and the control board gives it to the motor, and then the wheels work.
Model we have means the sensation object. So then the buzzer makes a beep sound so that the blind people cannot hit an object and prevent more accidents.
Hello sir, my name is Sushant, with me is and this is our project, the hydraulic claw.
Our project, the hydraulic claw, works on Pascal's principle, which states that a liquid in a confined space exerts pressure in all directions. Using syringes, which are connected to the parts of the project, we can apply pressure in one of the syringes, which will move the connected part. With this, we can move heavy objects from one place to another.
This is supposed to resemble a crane in a real-life construction site. It's on a smaller scale, and here it uses syringes instead of.
From class 6, and I'm joined by my teammate Arshad Sarlaskar. Also from class 6, we are here to present our science exhibition project based on air pollution.
Our model highlights the causes and effects of air pollution and offer practical solution to help and protect our environment. We have put in a lot of effort to create this model. Today's awareness and encourage everyone to work towards cleaner air.
Let's understand the project by what air pollution is. Air pollution refers to the presence of harmful substances in the air that negatively impacts.
This is food pyramid. The food pyramid is important because it serves as a visual guide to healthy eating, helping people to understand the types and proportion they should consume daily. There are 3 reasons for not maintaining a food pyramid. First, consuming too many food from the top of pyramid like fat, sweets and oil, which can lead to weight gain and health issues. Second,
Good morning sir, my name is Elabhijit Singha.
Good morning sir, my name is Endor Nirmal Singha.
Now Abhijit will explain about green city. In a green city, there are solar lights to save electricity. There are trees and gardens everywhere and clean roads with no pollution. Green city is calm, beautiful and safe to all living things. Now my friend Tomkin will explain details about pollution.
A polluted city is filled with smoke, dust and harmful gases from factories and the air becomes unhealthy, causing asthma.
I am Dipteshi Dev and this is my science project on Chandrayaan 3. It was launched on July 14, 2023 and it landed on the moon on July 23, 2023. It was the first India was the first country ever to land on moon South Pole, and this made India.
Here myself Dharmesha Das
And myself Aisha Siddhika.
We both are from class D. We will be talking about the sun. The sun has
light, warmth and light.
The sun has 6 main layers: the core, the radiative zone, the convective zone, the protosphere, the chromosphere, the corona.
Importance of the sun.